All right, guys, a very good evening out there to everybody, and good afternoon, depending on where you are joining me. This is my Saturday edition of what we normally do on this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant right here on this page. Mechicha or Bibiara, Minga Mofiamo, depending on where you are joining me from. I'm greeting you. Amsterdam for no Michiamo, Germany for no Michiamo, UK for no. I'm greeting everybody. Minga Mofiamo, okay? Everybody. This year weekend show with your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. And we're gonna just do a lot of interrogations. We'll be doing a lot of reading today. We'll be doing a lot of things. I'm streaming on my Facebook channel, and when you go to Facebook, you can see me there on Facebook. You can also see me on my normal YouTube channel, Top Gossip 24. And today we're just going to be asking one or two questions. We're just going to be probing one or two stuff. We all know what happened over the week before today. 2 days, 3 days ago, there have been a couple of stuff at air course, so videos air trendy near there. We've seen a lot of things with respect to what is going on in Kasoa, and then within the Kasoa now, yeah, bobo, drink you say what will be the next thing you know, all of a sudden be being so abetom the way at pepe. Guys, there's other video also I'm trying to hype here. I just received a massive breakthrough when I was preparing to come here. That video will be aired on my channel at 1:30. I know it's going to have a little bit of challenge with my live streaming, but that is very important also, and I need all of you to go and watch what is going on, because something has happened. I'm telling you, something has happened. Just what happened yesterday, wondering how we're going to go about it. No, it happened many and that video will be aired very, very soon. There we are at Tiano. This is your humble servant, and when you meet me here, all I want you to do and all I want you to say is fila, okay, fila. I'm gonna look out for the national anthem. People keep complaining, said me about the English version. Let me tell you, the English version of the national anthem has some copyright on it. Ubovia now I have copyright issue. Video so, and I don't want to have any conflicting issue with anybody. Until that is what I want to say. Okay. Many you can try Ghana national anthem. Me part the fire shiba me Ghana national anthem. None of your online called try a copyright by from o video no. Take a copyright by from o video no. Be honey video and face on Wiko. A slow video can be, so I don't want that one. Okay, that is why I keep playing the Yenara Assassin, and God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. That's why I try to play that one. Okay, so please pardon me. I'm going to look out for the one that will not be having a copyright on it, and I'll play that national anthem for all of you to hear. Okay, now when you join me, all I want you to do is to share the video. Okay, share the video, share the live streaming. Okay, let me go and look out for the national anthem, so we'll play that one. Okay, now let me play that one for you guys. Okay, I'll play that one since all of you are calling for that. Please put your hand, your right hand on your chest. If you are a bona fide Ghanaian, put your right hand on your chest and share the video.
It's not playing.
All right, guys. I don't know if you can hear the national anthem. Please tell me, okay? If you can hear the national anthem, let me know. I don't know what's going on, but if you can hear the national anthem, please tell me, okay? Let me check exactly what is going on with the system. I'll play the Ghana national anthem again. Okay, you cannot hear. All right. I'll play that when I'm about to leave. Before that, I'm gonna make sure I will get everything. Somebody will be sending me a message. Will say, "Come with me, Come with me again, oh, come with me again. No volume. Okay, for the national anthem. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I will look for it and make sure, sir, I put it together. Perhaps because I joined, I added a connection with my Bluetooth somewhere in Intina Embana. So I'll look into it and get that one figured out before I'll leave. I'll make sure everything will play before I go. Okay. Thank you guys very much for joining us today. Today we want to probe all the issues that is going on there. And like I always say, this is not a program that is seeking to demonize anybody. Number one, it's not a program that is seeking to say something wrong about something. We want to probe the issues. You understand what I'm saying? We want to probe the issues. Want to ni bi ni ya no what bote mean? What bote ni bi a mean? What bole ni bi a mean? Are we in the right spot or we are going in the wrong spot? You understand what I'm saying? So today, if you meet me here, to be honest with you, we're going to go through couple of videos and Niama Air Koso we'll dive into things that are going on. Understand me? I know most of you have seen the videos already with respect to what is going on in Kasoa. And so today we want to go behind the Yoruba kingdom, behind the Igbo kingdom, behind the Awuza people that they are also trying to form their kingdom, behind the Fulani people that are trying to ask for citizenship. What actually is going on out there? Okay. Come with me again, come with me again. Sad and funny at the same time, bro. Don't worry, bro. We will get there. We will get there. You see, before we will be able to achieve what we are looking for, before we'll be able to achieve what we are looking for, bro, we have to go through a struggle. And some of our leaders don't understand what we are going through. Some of our leaders don't appreciate what we are talking about. Some of our leaders do not know what we are going through. Some of our leaders are blind in the realms of the spirit. Some of them, their hands have been shocked already. Some you understand what I'm saying? Some of our leaders have been shaped by wrong people, and so their lives and everything, their spirit have been changed into something else. So they don't understand actually what me and you we are talking about. They don't really understand. If you're we are just making noise. Okay, they think okay, we are just noise makers. You can join me on Facebook. I'm streaming on Facebook and streaming on YouTube as well. If you're on Facebook, your comment will be read here. Share the live streaming. Let somebody know. Say we are here. I have 20 of you watching me, and today I have a lot of things to share with you. So Mema Obi Emma later. Now the person will not know what I'm talking about. Please share the live streaming. Share it. Share it. Let our brothers and sisters come before I'll start showing the videos and things. Ebusia, I received a video this afternoon. I'm very shocked and very sad. But again, that video will be aired at 1:30 whilst I'm doing the live stream. I'm sorry I have to do it that way because it was an emergency and a breaking news, and I can't sit on it like that. But that video will be aired at 1 o'clock, and at the same time when I'll be doing my live streaming. Today, we have different segments, okay? Different segments we want to deal with. The first segment is what went on in Kasoa, okay, the Yoruba phono. The second one will be dealing with what we received yesterday from the Ghana Police Service. I will go into the letter. I will display the letter here. We'll read the letter. We'll go into the letter together. Where there are flaws and where they are placed, we have to punch holes. We will punch the holes. Okay, TME. So first of all, we'll go to Yoruba phono. Like I said, Yoruba phono. Second, we'll talk about the police, the Ghana Police Service, and what happened. Okay. The third one we'll be talking about, I will open the phone lines. Today, I'm trying to make sure I'll open the phone lines so you can call me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can call me on WhatsApp and come and share your frustration, come and share whatever. It is my prayer that my system will work. I'm building up my studio. My studio is moving quickly and things are getting about fast. Okay, so I want to make sure that things will work. If you can hear me, let me know, and I want you to share the live stream. Good evening. I'm watching from the United States of America. This is Brahima. Thank you, Brahima, for your commitment. You've been there for me every time. So we'll be doing this quickly. Okay, let's talk about the Yoruba forum. Let's talk about the Yoruba forum. Let's talk about the Yoruba forum. Now, I've heard people saying that the Yoruba four have been with us for many years, blah, 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 and they are not so dangerous as these people have been with us. They help us, blah, blah, blah. I've heard all those things. I've heard all of those things. My problem here is, must they have a kingdom? Must they have a place they call kingdom? Must they also establish something we call kingdom when we are fighting with the Igbo and self-acclaimed Igbo leader? Must these people also have a place called a kingdom? That is the first question I'm asking. Now, when you see that I put it there, the NDT has done it again, you really have to come with me before you understand. So stay with me till the end of the video. You know how I do my videos, right? When I start from a point and I move you closely until where I say they have done it again. They have done it again. No, that will come in when we are reading what happened today and yesterday and what happened a day before yesterday. So you understand why I say they have done it again. And let me clear this before I go on. You are not NDC more than me, and you are not MPP more than me. I have been there before with all the two political parties. And I can tell you on authority, I have family members who are still strong NDC members as I'm talking to you right now. So you nye NDC ni nsemi ya, wo nye MPP ni nsemi. JNDC nyojibo femi, ni JMPP nyojibo femi. Heni NDC je ni je akatamanso e, wote me kuma forward jen so ye di try ya funuma. But when they are wrong, they are wrong. When things are not going right, they are not going right. If it is pepper, you have to say pepper. Katamanso, okay? That is in Katamanso. So the Akatamanso, which is the MPP, the NDC, what do you call the name? Akatamanso. Some of us, we were born in that particular village where they call Katamanso. So we know the history and everything, how the party was formed and Jerry and all that. We know all those histories. We know all those histories. Those days, JJ fly in the helicopter, come and drop and come and see some of us, our grannies and stuff like that. And what that place. So we know the history about that. So you are not an NDC member more than me, and you are not an MPP member more than me. But again, let's talk about the fact of the issue and what is going on in Ghana. Our leaders are not telling us exactly what is going on. Share the video. When I see 25 people, I'm not happy, guys. Please, 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 please. The only way by which the video will go viral is to comment, number one. Number two is to hit the like button. When you do these two things, you get a spike and the video will start moving. Okay. We've done only 12 minutes, and I'm already in a high spirit. Okay. Or see no kingdom, please. Okay, yes, I know they are hyping it. They are hyping it, but we will not give them that hype. So we're going to kill it. We're going to kill that hype. We're going to kill that hype. Now, I know most of you have seen the video already about the Yoruba Palace or Yoruba whatever, Chief Palace, whatever they call it. Now, let me just say something here that you see, Ghana is not a place that we can just be giving out on a silver platter. Ubiaba obeto asasia. Now we see baby kakaka or say this is my palace. I'm controlling my people. This is my palace. They are doing everything they want to do. This is my palace. You see that kind of thing. No, it's not something that is acceptable by the youth. Our leaders can think that those things are acceptable. They can think say yeah, okay. But you see, the problem we have, many who can say, if you go to Kasoa right now, guys, Esan said these people Abetana Kasoa, Ayomu said they have a palace, they have a palace. When you go to Kasoa right now, it look like Nigeria for Chrome. Kasoa is just like Nigeria for Chrome. Kasoa, many Kasa Sesiano, Kasoa, I said Nigeria for Chrome. Everything some is happening on the street of Kasoa. Everything some is happening on the street of Kasoa. Okay, everything some. Basically, that is what I'm saying. Everything some is happening on the street of Kasoa. Esan said, we have given in and we have allowed people who are supposed to be like a slave to us to become like some people who we have to worship. Nigeria be a city. Kote Kasoa fe to Nigeria be a city. Chobwe Ghana be, Chobwe Ghana for, Chobwe my people. We are sleeping too much. The youth of Ghana are sleeping too much. The youth of Ghana are doing things anyhow. Esan said they are doing things anyhow. Obiaba Ghana, Nipa no befa Ghana for. Obiara Ghana, the person will just come and enter into Ghana and do whatever the person will do and leave. And I'm asking, say, This man have been in Kasoa according to research kakra you know. He has been in Ghana. He Kasoa sechele. Kejeni ake faith, no go faith ba. And because he's an Yoruba person, whatever it is, papa ne. When this man will be hiding in Kasoa for so long, okay, he will be hiding in Kasoa and hiding his identity. He's hiding. You see how God can do his things. Nyankupo na apane huntuma. You are na ke papa ne. Meanwhile, we were fighting the self-acclaim and battle Igbo king. I'm telling you, today the news I got from somewhere about this self-acclaim and Igbo king, who can share video now, you know, say some of our leaders, some of our chiefs, the people, the very people we respected to guard and protect our land are actually stomach direction people. Shikape gbamepa, kamene shikano kwe akeke otojo loke matu otofo eba kumole. So I'm telling our leaders, if you continue to take all sort of amounts from people, if the monies they are giving to you are not good money, I am telling you that one day you will vomit that money. I'm telling you, you will definitely vomit that money. It is very, very important that I put it that way. So we are talking about the Yoruba people. I'm sending this message to them. Say, you know, let me tell you, people, say, we Ghanaians, when we see that we don't like, when we say that we don't like what is going on, we don't like it. We don't like it. We really don't like it. It doesn't matter whether Yoruba for Betanaga Nacho, whether Yoruba for have been in Accra for long, whether Yoruba for are this and that, whether Yoruba for are this and that, it doesn't matter. Once you are a thief, you are always a thief. Once you are a criminal, you are always a criminal. Once you have a bad attitude, you will remain so. Even if you change, there will be some amount of it in your blood. That's basically what we are talking about here. So what we are saying basically here is these Yoruba people, no, I believe that when I video, no, and the main person may video no I know say you most of you have seen the video, but again, let me just make video no. Maybe some people have not seen the video I'm talking about. Maybe let me go and show the video to all of you. Okay, video. So you see, this is the only faith, whatever they call it. Me, I don't know. They say faith. Adewale, who visited the palace. He visited a palace. So very soon they will change the palace into something else. Very soon they will change it. I'm telling you, say, this is how they work. These guys don't come at once. They come in pieces. And when they come in pieces, they graduate from one place to the other. That's basically what I'm saying. Ebusian, today I'm not seeing you people. I'm not seeing the action. Maybe most of you are waiting.
Today is Valentine's Day.
Today, no, okay. Today is Valentine's Day. All right. I got it. All right, guys. Let me use this opportunity to give everybody a happy Valentine's Day. I know that most people are in Ghana enjoying themselves, and I know that most people also in America and the UK, in Canada, no. I understand. Yes. I forgot, guys. Sorry. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Why? Happy Valentine. But in the midst of the Valentine's Day, let's continue to do the needful. Okay. Let's continue to do the needful. Remember to like the video and share it on all the platforms you want to share the live stream on. Because happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. Happy Valentine's Day. Masa, mi boy fo, intimidate Valentine crab nim. Say me dibio, me I'm telling you people, I'm very piffed to the sense to say I don't know whether I'm going to celebrate the Valentine's Day or not. Until I finish my live stream, honestly, I can't tell whether I'm going to celebrate the Valentine's Day or not. Honestly, guys, it's very, very important that we do what we are doing. Thank you so much for joining. And couple of people, so we have to tell them, say, we are not in tune with what they are doing. We know, say, Yoruba for Ghana, but Omu Palace, no, the way Omu design Omu Palace, no, I don't know why they are calling them chiefs. I don't know, because I don't know why they are calling them chiefs. They should be leaders. They should be leaders of their people. Why are we tomorrow? You see this guy also calling himself easy, because he's an easy for his people. The same thing, somebody was in Ghana who was given an opportunity to be a leader of his people. And then, or no, only number B, and or she read. Video now may be released in the next video, no crab very soon. Unfortunately, guy, I'm sorry. I have to release it because it's a breaking news. So I have to release it. That video is going to play very soon. Okay, in 10 minutes, that video will play on my page. Chuku the Jude has made his first appearance for the past month. Yeah, kind of one summer or yila, you know, on show up a public gathering as a for and then why any public you appear. Ask yourself where he found NOPA. Who is the Judas of our time? Who is the Judas of our time? I've not mentioned the name of anybody. I've not mentioned anybody's name. But I'm saying, say, Chuku the Jude has made his first appearance in public gathering. The last time of course public gathering, and he was not allowed to go and shake or for. He has made his first public gathering. And next menu kasa inso topo. When trying if you esan say Obiaka say he's not like this, he's not Ejake Moko Eba Moko Yafe Sunday Hale, Nimo Face Sunday Hale, Ghana Police Service Kegeshin J Anokwale, no final we are J Anokwale, but we are here to read those messages and punch holes. I'm ready to do that. I'm ready to read verbatimly, one by one, where I think say there's some one or two things or Mukaya and Pasomo. I will make me be dream. Me bala me because ke obala me and yesterday I heard that they were celebrating. You hold on, let me just finish with the Yoruba people before I'll come here. Then I see Oju. Oju is saying something online. Say if we are not allowing Igbos to create their kingdom, why is Ghanaians allowing Yoruba people to create their kingdom? What audacity do you have, Oju? What audacity do you have to come and question Ghanaians? We don't want any of those. We don't want any of those in Ghana, basically. And if you've checked my TikTok page, I've replied Oju personally. Say, we as Ghanaians, if our leaders are doing that, this is our leaders. But the thing here is, anybody who is entering into Ghana now, no, say, this kind of banter will never end today, will never end tomorrow, will continue until Jesus will come. And as far as I'm concerned, I want to use this opportunity to tell every Ghanaian youth, know it at the back of your mind that these people are coming in to actually overtake. Listen, they are coming in to overtake. Don't see them say they are our friends, our brothers and sisters. No way. They don't have that mindset. And because of that, Obi frame, and the person is going to send me an audio, and I will share that audio on my live stream one of these days. Uti audio now, Masa. Uti audio now. You see, we just keep insinuating, say they have an agenda, they have an agenda, we have an agenda. Now they themselves are spilling those agendas out. And our leaders, Mr. John Dramani Mahama doesn't know about this. Mr. IGP doesn't know about this. And some of them, when they hear those things, no, Omufi say a kasa keke. Omufi say a kasa keke. Like I told you people on our other video, in my village, there are Nigerian Ashawo people there. Let me send this word of caution. Let me send this word of caution to them. Tell them that we are coming. Again, I've said it. Tell them, say, we are coming. Those Ashawo people in my village. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. You see, just when I heard that there's Ashawo people doing stuff in my village, there's one of the guys that it's like a family member, and it's in my village. Hey, the show you go show those people remember Mufiles now. But Ebusian, the most important thing is said, Iroba for no. This is the Omu Palace, no. Your Majesty. You hear the sound in the background, Your Majesty. You hear Ebusiamuti here, Your Majesty. So this is what actually is going on in Kasoa. And I reached out to a friend in Kasoa. Guys, 38 people never had on. I'm not happy about it too. Honestly, I'm not. You guys know the amount of energy I've put into this since yesterday. I've been thinking of all the things. Since yesterday, Papa Bia Miseremo. You see, I'm doing this because of the love of Mother Ghana. If you don't have the same love like I have, then yeah, we are done. If you don't have the same passion we have, some of us have, and yeah, we are done. So, Mr. Remo, share the live streaming, Mr. Remo, and I'm sure that the other video will be playing very soon.
It has started already.
Okay, the other video will play very soon. Okay, in 4 minutes. So I'm begging you people, share the live streaming, share the, and then maybe phone lines. No, Mr. Remo, I should have like 100 people. I should have like, and let me tell you people what is going on. There are more saboteurs out there. Saboteurs. They are there. I know what they are doing. When you start the live stream and you are talking about something, they sabotage your people. They make sure that your videos will not cross a certain line. But let me tell them that the more they do that, the more we are going to pour in fire. The more they continue to do this, the more we'll pour in fire. Okay? We'll do the same thing we have to do to ensure that we get there. We've seen this before and we'll never succumb to it. They can do whatever they want to do to report our account from Genesis to Revelation. They can go ahead to do that. The fact remains that Ghana is for Ghanaians. That is a fact. The fact remains that Ghanaians will not condone any kind of leadership that will come and just break everything that we are struggling for. And that is why I say that the NDC has done it again. Why you see, so like I'm saying, you know, the Yoruba people have been in Ghana for quite a long time, right? And there was some history that people were playing. Now, let me also correct this. I've said this before, and let me say it again. The Nigerians and the Yoruba people that keep saying, say, Gans and some other part of the airways and Adangways are from Nigeria. Let me say this for the last time. If you don't know your history, if you are trying to find a common brother, then go and find it somewhere else. Okay, why are you guys not saying that you are brothers to Togolese and you are brothers to Benin Republic? Why are you not saying that, and that you are approaching Ghana and saying, say, yeah, there's a lot of Yoruba people in Accra, so we are together or something like that? No, let me tell you people. Let me tell you people. Now, this is this history. The history is that we, Gans, and the Gan Adangwe people, we are from Israel. Okay, so during those days, when you check the history, you can see it, history. When you check, you can see that from Israel, we move all the way to Sudan. Okay, Ethiopia, Sudan, they're about through inside there. And then we head down to Nigeria to Elife. Okay, when we head to Elife and we were there in Elife, they secretly don't like us to stay, TMEA. And because of that, we'll move down to Benin, down, and Togo, down to where we are today. As at that time now, we were staying there, no? As at that time, no? We were migrating down. No? If they accept us, we could have stayed there, but they didn't. Now, if anybody tell you, say, in crime for Nigeria, for ask them, why is it that our Yakasa are different? We are coming from a place. Why is it that Yakasa are different? We don't speak the same language. Many of we the same way more. Many of a different understanding in Nigeria. You see, this is a pure and a palpable lie, and this is why they are using this to tell our people. Nigeria be eba tawo kweno na me miawo mokotomo chuku de Jude mokotomo Yoruba manchene ni le webane amba tawo kweno ame miawo nke kote Kasoa is just like Sodom and Gomorrah. Go to Kasoa, everything some is there in Kasoa. Say I'm sorry if kawateshi no about me or him, no I feel no about this situation, we are doomed. And that is why I said the NDC have done it again. Why did I say so? Whatever is going on from the left to the right to where we are sitting, it has a result of what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama went to elevate to do. He went there for a chieftaincy title. Abi, all these things that you see playing like a whiny and people send petition to the police. I'm coming to tell you people, you wait, share the life. Let me tell you people, share it. Okay. Now, if you are not able to get this to watch, part of this video will be aired. So it is good that you watch it later. Maybe not on the live stream, but another side. Now, let me tell you people, say, when he went to Elife, to be precise, to go and get that title have its own complications and its own compromises. He need to compromise an apple for pepper, pepper for apple, or tomatoes for something else. He need to compromise something. So what is he going to compromise? And that is why I said the NDC has done it again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now, let me tell the Yoruba people in Ghana. You guys have a leader, but not a palace. Stop calling that place a palace. If our old aged people will not understand the issues that is parading around, and we want to sit down like this and watch these things happen, we, the next generation, will take the bull by the horn and blow it up. And I'm using this opportunity to tell every Ghanaian, if you are in Ghanaian and you are living in Ghana, please open your ears. Don't just see things like that and walk away. Don't just see Olosho people in your community and you are not doing anything about it. You zip your mouth. Nigeria is the second largest HIV country in Africa. Nigeria is the second largest HIV country in Africa. They have a lot of people with HIV. Most of the Olosho girls that are entering into Ghana, HIV, most of them. I am telling you people, why? See, stop all this headache you are giving to yourself and giving to your parents. Stop it. The last time we interviewed one Ashawo girl, it's like a cartel. There are police officers and military officers, according to the lady, and you people are Osi Bosu. Let me tell you, we enter into the border with a police, with a soldier person who is wearing a uniform. And then that soldier person hand us over to a guy by name Iman. This is a cartel. People are benefiting from other children that are being shipped from Nigeria to come to Ghana and come and sleep with people. Let me also touch on this. There are some Togolese or more Ghana. Look, Ghana, there are some Togolese are in Ghana. If they open that thing for you, you go collapse. I tell you, you go collapse. It's serious. It's serious. So you see, all this thing is a cartel. They are coming into Ghana every time, every now and then. Let me just use this opportunity. The people living in Volta region, I have been told that some of you are taking monies from the Nigerians that are using the unapproved route. Are you not ashamed? Volta, the youth in Volta, don't use this as a means of making money. They are coming in for a purpose. I told you guys last time, before a Nigerian will take a decision on something, they have an information about that thing. So before they are coming to Ghana and they are using the unapproved route, they know what they are looking for and they know where they are going. Okay? So we have to stop all this. And I'm saying that when you have Oju coming to compare what is going on in Yoruba and compare what is going on in Igbo, and then they are saying that they want to have a place in Ghana, look at what they are doing. They are trying to bring the conflict and the confusion that they are having in our country into Ghana. Remember, when the Igbo people say they have an Igbo leader in Lagos, the Yoruba people attack that place and send it to court and arrest that person. Why are the two people The same two people that are fighting in their country, in our country, Ghana. And our leaders can't see. Our leaders can't understand. Our leaders don't have what it takes to see. They are just sitting there and they are taking it left, right, and center. May God have mercy on us. We are going to continue this talking. I'm telling you, a generation is coming. If you are listening to me and you are in abroad, when you call your brothers and sisters, keep informing them and keep telling them. Advise them to wake up and talk about what they have to talk about. I'm telling you, I have 43 people watching me, and I know my other video should be playing by now. It's a breaking news, and I need all of you to go and watch the video. As you watch it, share it.
Don't even go there. Don't come back.
Well, it depends. Somebody can watch a short video, somebody can watch a live streaming. So I know it's going to compete with each other. I know, but again, that is a breaking news, and I can't leave that breaking news to sit there like that. Okay, that is why I have to post it. It's very, very important, and I believe that most of you out there will go out there to go and watch that short video. It's very important, and I need your comment down there. Okay, it's very, very important. Honor, like, okay, so let's proceed. As we proceed, I want to use this opportunity to tell Oju that between the what do you call, between the Igbos and the Yorubas, we don't want any of them in Ghana. They are confusing. We don't want it. We don't want it. So if somebody is listening to me, so tell Oju, let me address you. I've addressed you, address you that TikTok. You see, you guys, you have too many issues. It's better you go to your country and go and solve the issues. Honestly, it is very important. Okay, it is very, very, very important. So you guys can go back to go and fix your mess. Huh? Okay. So guys, what I'm saying is that it is very, very important. Just trying to talk with my technical team about something they want to send to me. It's very important. I have some other informations also here I want to share with you. Guys, it's very, very important that I share that with you. But I'm looking at it in the face of the document. We're going to go through the documents that we received or we intercepted from the Ghana Police Service heading to where it's supposed to go. I don't know the people who petition. We will not allow them. My brother, it's not about we will not allow them. It's not about, look, Chuku, the Jew just appeared today somewhere. It's not about we not. Our leaders are doing things. They appear somewhere. Chuku, the Jew appears somewhere today. My brother, it's not about we will not allow them. Listen, if I in my village where people think that Nigerians will not be there, they are there. They are doing a shower. Even they put signboard on the shower. They're directing people. Somebody should tell them that we are coming. I'm telling you, if I can do anything about what these people are doing, not in my village, if I can do anything, not spending to make sure that place will not be a shower home. No, that one day I will do it. So any ashawo lady, ashawo yojibo, no ye katamansu, kubekro number 1, number 2, Apollonia, nejemo fi ashawo ye. Listen to me carefully. We will come on you guys with the heaviest police officers ever. Police officers who will support what we are doing, not those that will go and take money. I'm telling you. I'm saying what? Police officers who will understand what is going. And Jenny was mobono kakewa ngoe. No, once we arrest you, we will follow up and make sure we go to court. Yes, we will do it. Because if we don't do it, they will continue to come to the village. We want to make sure we clean the mess. And I believe strongly, if everybody living in abroad can support or can do something in his village to ensure that we not allow Ashao people, there will be a place that there will be some decency. It's as if our leaders don't care about what is going on. And some journalists, they have been bought. The stream media, Joy FM, Peace FM, whatever FM you want to talk about, all the TV stations, All of them are under this cartel. All of them. They are under this cartel, boys. They are under them. They can't say anything. We are the only people that can sit online and talk about this issue. We are the only people that will sit and talk about this issue. Now, let's go quickly and go and read. Let me show you one or two videos. Let me show you one or two videos. And then let me show you one or two videos. And then we will go and start this. Now, let me show you this video also. Guys, look at
so now this is Dr. Bam.
This is a Nigerian with a girlfriend. How many of us have visited Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's Memorial Park, and we were allowed to enter into the inner caucus of where Nkrumah was buried? What a man! I've been there before. I didn't have the opportunity, even when I was there alone. I didn't even break the protocol to go through this. Where is the Minister of Tourism? Where is the regional minister? Where is the mayor of Accra? If they've not seen this video, I am showing this video again and again. A Nigerian with the pregnant wife went to go and sleep on top of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah and was crying on the grave. What is going on? How many?
Kwame Nkrumah's burial ground where they bury him. This is his grave. Oh yeah, cry. Do fast, let's go, babe. Night don't come. Yeah, since you cry, they're hungry. Shebi, you say you are craving for crying. You want to cry.
Look at his face, like chimpanzee. He said chimpanzee. Excuse me, oh, he said chimpanzee. But come on, the sign and they Nkrumah sign on it. What they mean near your Ghana? Why are we disgracing ourselves? Why are we giving access to these guys to come to Ghana to come and do all this? That is the simple question I'm asking. Guys, let's continue. I will just ask all of you here, please go back to my channel, go and watch that short video about Chukwu the Jude that was released today, okay? Go and watch that one. I just released a new video now, a breaking news about Chukwu the Jude, his first appearance after many months. His first appearance with PM Nene Ewanungwa. Go and check that video. I need all 60 of you. But she just when it was raining. It was raining. What is Chukwu the Jew doing in Nungwa? If he has no ties with somebody, if he has no plan with somebody, if he is not having a friendship with somebody, Ghana wo mancheme kajabeni Ghana wo mancheme wonako wo mancheko ne wo yu atale dan mancheko yega ne wo yu atale to beni Chukwu the Jude atale nkebini mancheko yega e wo yu atale to beni Chukwu the Jude. There's a chief in Ghana who is in Accra who wear women dress like the way Chukwu the Jude dresses like a woman. Go and check. Just go and check. What a shame. Homo mulikiti inchakomokogbe. When you will call you,
or cry, you want to cry. Cry fast, babe, cry fast, let's go. Cry fast, be fast. Cry fast, babe.
You see what I'm saying? What kind of bylaw is this? What kind of bylaw is this? Can somebody tell me what is going on here? Is the Ministry of Tourism aware? Abeku Santana and your people, Abeku, are you guys aware about this? Do you guys know that this lady went to sleep on top of Nkrumah's shrine? What is going on here? Is Ghana, you see, that is why I say the NDC have done it again. Won't you will not understand what I'm saying until you follow me. You follow me slowly. I'm begging you, follow me gradually until we start reading the police report over the allegations that were made against Chukwu the Jude and the punches we have to punch into it. I've been reading that document since last night, and I've been trying to hold on what I will hold on, and I'll hold on that. Okay, if the police have decided to say that Chukwu the Jude is free, I don't think say FBI. If it is true that the petitioners also petition FBI, I don't think the FBI will say it is true. I don't think. The police are doing their thing in Ghana. And let me say that the police administrations in Ghana, they are not fallible. Listen to my words. I'm choosing my words very well. They are not fallible. They are, as a human being, they are fallible. Even a machine that works 24/7 is not having 100% value. A machine can do it best, but can have 88%, 99%. So the Ghana Police Service are not fallible. They are, or they are not infallible. They are not infallible. That's how I have to put it, right? Good. So I'm going somewhere. Obviously, the Nungwa should be ashamed. Don't worry. I'm going there. I'm going there gradually. Just hold on. I want you guys to go and watch that video. And please comment under that video. I don't want that video to die. I'm begging all of you with everything inside my stomach. I've been reading and trying to research what is going on and looking at the loopholes and things that I have to talk about on this letter that was sent to Chukwude Jude. I'm looking for what I have to say about it. And this is I don't know how many people have done analysis on that, but I'm coming to do an analysis that will blow your mind. Let's play the video. Let's play this.
They cry fast. They cry normal cry now. Cry fast. The what is moving? Hey, you are not crying well. Why won't he move? Cry fast, good. They hit your head on the listen now. They used to cry in funeral. Don't hit my head. Are you okay? You want to hit your stomach? Cry, only cry. Let tears come out. Be fast. Oh yeah, it's okay. Let's go. It's okay. Let's go. I said it's okay, babe. Babe, let's go. It's okay. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. Is it today that they demand that? But I will leave you here and go. You keep crying. Okay, bye. Stay there.
All right, guys. So this is the end of that video. And since this issue happened, it's been like a month plus now. The question I'm asking is this. Abeku Santana, are you aware about this? Is the people and the management of the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum aware about this? How many people have seen this video and how many people have not said anything about it? I picked this video from one of our sisters by name Rashida. Rashida is a very, very strong lady who always want to go hard when things like this happen. Kudos to you out there. God bless you for doing that, Rashida, for pulling this surprise and making sure this video will come on. Guys, I have one other video also I will show you. And that video, I will not show you the video all. I will not show you because I'm working on something, but I'll show you the face. And when I show you the face, the next time I'll give you the full gist about who this person is and what his name is. I'm still working on it, but I still want to show you something. I'm not going to play the entire video. Okay, just hold on for me. I'll show you something. Okay, it's coming. I will stop it there when it comes. You see this guy here, guys? You see this guy? You see this guy here? This guy has the audacity. This guy. You see, if you're a Nigerian in Ghana, don't think you are smart. Oh. Before you become smart, a Ghanaian is very smarter. This guy, okay? Let me keep this guy aside. I will talk about him when the time is due. I want all of you to look at him very carefully. So I will take him out. I will not play the video. I'll play the video one of these days, including Nyama SCC year and information SCC year. So he will also not go and say, so we'll deal with that one later. Very good. Very, very good. Now, when you are joking with Top Gossip, I'm telling you guys, he said, in as much as people can get information about things, we are also working hard to make sure we work things out. You understand what I'm saying? Kudos to my ghost team. God bless you. You guys are doing a yeoman's job. A Nigerian living in Ghana, threatening people threatening Ghanaians in the Republic of Ghana. That is why I said the NDC have done it again. Now you understand me, right? I believe you guys understand what I'm saying. The NDC have done it again. They have. Mr. John Dramani Mahama, Ghanaians voted for you for a purpose. Ghanaians voted for you for a purpose, Mr. Mahama. Ghanaians voted for you for a purpose. Now, I told you people that Chuku the Jude surfaced today. Atali or share ya ODPMU and Neno. I will show you guys that before we come and read the letter. I'll show you. Team, can you get me the picture quickly? Can you send that one on the other my WhatsApp, so I will go and pick that one up. I have it here, right? No, I have it on this phone. No, I'm waiting for my team to send me a picture, guys. Just hold on. I'm waiting for my team to send me a picture of what Chuku the Jude was doing today. That is, but I want you guys to go and watch the video. I will talk about it, but I want you guys to go and watch the video. It's very important. I just shared the video a while ago. I need all of you to go and watch. Okay. Let me just see what I can do. I'll bring that video on that picture on very soon. I'll bring it on. Just give me some few time, guys.
Was it the one who was on his phone?
Any of the pictures with him, today's picture. That's basically what I'm looking for. Guys, give me a few seconds. I'm going to grab it. Okay. I'm going to grab the picture and come back here. Okay. All right. No, I have it now. Okay. Let me just pull this. This is very important. All right, guys. So the picture will come very soon. I don't want to share any video right now, because most of the video that is related to him is I've already posted it, but I will show you a picture of himself and Mr. himself with what do you call, with a wife. I'll show you. That happened today. Oh my God, where's the picture? Where did the picture went? I download the picture, but I can't find where the picture went right now. Picture. No, not the picture here. Hold on, guys. Please hold on. Team, I can't find it. Share. Let's continue to work down here. Let me go back to my WhatsApp. I downloaded it, but I think when I downloaded it, it ran to somewhere else. No, I need the one that he was sitting with the wife. No, okay. Let me take this one. It's okay. Hold on. Let me go and take this one and take a face of this. Okay, so I see it went to somewhere else. I didn't want it to go. That's why I couldn't find it. All right, now let me go and pick the other one also. I'll pick one more picture today. I'll show you what happened today. But the video is already there. I need all of you to go and watch the video. It's very important you watch the video. When you watch the video, you understand what I'm saying. If you watch the video, you understand what I'm saying. It's something that happened today, only today. So you know that when we said, what's going on here? Why can't I find it? Team, the picture is just not coming through here. It should be able to pop up here.
I sent it to your phone. Check.
Oh no. Hold on. I was not doing all files. That's why. Oh, all right, team. I don't know. Something else is going on. I have it here, but I don't know if I will be able to show to you guys. All right, so guys, it's very important. I show you that picture. I'm struggling to get a picture back. I'm struggling to get a picture on my thing, but my team is going to work on it. Now, that picture is a picture that happened today. And then today, there's a funeral in Nungwa. I don't know who invited Chuku the Judo. I'm not saying somebody invited him, but that's what I saw today. Just when there was a letter from the Ghana Police Service. Team, is he on my WhatsApp?
I sent it to your WhatsApp.
Okay. Yeah, but I have it on my WhatsApp already. I don't know why I can't pick it up. Guys, hold on. I will show you. Please, just hold on for me. I have it on my WhatsApp, but I don't know why when I download it, it's going somewhere I don't want it to go. It's going here, and I don't want it to go there. You see, I want it here.
Save it there.
All right, guys, please just hold on for me. My team is trying to help me out, get this thing figured out so it will come back here quickly. I don't know if I can't find it. Oh, it should be an image. Yes. This is unbelievable. Trust me. It's totally unbelievable. Yeah, click on that one, you see. Okay, so guys, this is the picture that I'm talking about, guys. Sorry. This is Mr. Ehinetu. This is Mr. Ehinetu. Today in Nungwa, this is Mr. Ehinetu. If you've not heard it, this is Mr. Ehinetu and Mrs. Ehinetu. And this guy sitting beside him, this man, you see, I show you something. I say I will talk about it later. I told you guys, right? I will talk about it later. Something in blue. I will talk about that later. You see this man sitting here? This man sitting here. We'll talk about him later. We will talk about this guy later. You see, we want to make sure that we have everything arranged to the point where when we release it, it will go. So watch this guy carefully. On my next video, that will come. I wouldn't want to say anything much. Now, there's another person I want to drop. And this happened in Nungwa. And I think that if the leadership, if the Nungwa Traditional Council are having a funeral and they didn't invite Chuku the Jude, I don't know why Chuku the Jude should go there. Now, I have questions to ask. The first question I want to ask Ni Odaiwelenchi, under what capacity Chuku the Jude visited or came to the funeral? That's the first question. I don't know. The second one, is the woman that was being buried, is that woman having kids who are related or who are actually friends, or they have a relationship with Chuku the Jude and they invite Chuku the Jude to come to the funeral? That's another question. The third one, was Chuku the Jude, or did Chuku the Jude decide to visit or to go to the funeral himself to show himself to Ghanaians? It has been reported or purportedly yesterday that they were jubilating when they received the report for the Ghana Police Service. That's another question. I leave all these questions to everybody out there to give me what they think. I need that answer. I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to say anything. I have questions because the woman who died, what do you call? Amo Manye. The whole Anunwa Amo Manye, right? So people appear there and all that. So the questions I'm asking here, who invited him? Did he went there on his own? Was the Nungwa Manche? Was the invitation given to him by Nungwa Manche, or any of the kids of the woman invited him, or he went there by himself? These are the questions I'm asking, and I need answers from him. Now, I'm done with that. I'm done with that. I've done 50 something minutes. I will open the phone line. So quickly, let's go and read. Let's go and read the letter, and I'll post the letter also. So let me bring the letter from the Ghana Police Service, and when I bring the letter from the Ghana Police Service, I will read the letter one after the other. Tim, where did you send that one? You send it on my phone or your phone? Where is it? Where can I see it? It's on my WhatsApp. Can you forward that? Can you forward that one back to my other WhatsApp? Guys, give me a few seconds. I'm trying to look out for the letter. I know most of you have that document, but I'm trying to. I was reading it. Okay, I found it. So, Tim, I think I downloaded it, right? Yeah, I think I downloaded it. I don't know, but let me re-download it. There was a page that I really want to stress on. Let me see what I can do here on that one. Let me see what I can do, if I can go and find it. The problem is I have a lot of things downloaded today, so
Should be today around 12.
Team, let me see if it's one of these. Yeah. Okay, now guys, this is one of the documents this is the document from the Ghana Police Service, right? I don't know how I can, okay, let me zoom it. Let me maximize it. I'm trying to maximize it, but
that's the max. That's the max it can go.
Okay, guys, I'm not able to go far, okay? But there's something here I want us to read. And I know most of you have seen everything, okay? There's something there I want all of us to focus on. Now, before this page, I intercept this document right after it's dropped from the Ghana Police Service. I intercept this document. And honestly, from where I sit, I will read a couple of it. I don't know if you guys know who the petitioners, okay? The petitioners are Masua Ado and 9 other people. Masua Ado and 9 other people, okay? Masua Ado and 9 other people. Masua Ado and 9 other people. Now, the case of reply, in case of reply, the number and the date of this letter should be quoted. This is from the Ghana Police Service, the Crime Investigation Department, P.O. Box 505 Accra. Date on this document is 5th of February 2026. Okay, follow me. Now, re-request. It means that there have been a request already for an investigation on something that Ghanaians feel that is not right, right? So this is a request for police investigation report. Okay, now this is a report that came out on the 18th of September. The date on the document is 18 September 2025. That was the date that the whole thing was filed. I'm giving you what is in there so you know. Maswa Ado Osei and 9 others. The address is here, everything is here. They reported Chuku the Jude about suspected issues that we're talking about, fraud and blah 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 blah, that they reported him and all that. I'm not interested in that, because the reason why I said I'm not interested in that, until you catch the person holding something and all that, then when you go and present it, it becomes a little bit challenging to do what? To get the person hooked. I don't know the evidence they have. I've not seen the evidence they have. So I don't want to talk about that. But the police service have said that whatever report that they brought to them, or the evidence that they brought to them, is not an evidence that can nail Chuku the Jude on board or can nail him. And so what they are saying is, at the end of the day, or see, brief fact on 18th September 2025, a petition from Maswa Ado and 9 others. We received through the it's too small for me to see it. That's the craziest part of all this. When I zoom it, it becomes something else. But I know most of you have seen this, okay? I know most of you have seen this. Now, the part that I am interested in, from here, okay? From here. And on the second paragraph, that is what I've displayed here. The second paragraph, that's what I've displayed here. If you want me to send this document to you, I will send it to you. If you want me to send it to you, I will send it to you. Just hit me up on my WhatsApp and I'll send it to you, okay? Now, I'm going to read this page and I will take my time to read it, okay? Or otherwise, I will give it to my team to read it so you guys will hear what is going on. On the 8th October 2025 and 31st October 2025, a report attached with photocopies of the letter of recognition of Chief Chuku the Jude. Here, the police didn't say Izeo, they didn't say Kino, they say Chief Chuku the Jude Ehinetu has Ize in Igbo in Ghana, and a certificate of recognition signed by Ni Dodu II, Otu Blohun Manche, and the and then the acting president of the Ghana Traditional Council were dispatched to the Ghana Traditional Council to confirm the authenticity of the document. However, the Ghana Traditional Council did not respond despite numerous reminders and visits to the council's office. A response from the Ministry of Gender and Children and Social Protection confirmed that the chief and the Igbo community in Ghana have been using the Efua Sutherland Park, Accra, for celebrating of the Yam Festival over the years since 2020. And there has not been any security breaches during the celebration. The paramount chief of Ningo and the president of the Ningo Traditional Council, Nene Asro Agbo Jamate, the 12th, was invited to assist what? Investigation. The chief indicated that the issue of the 50 acres of land allocated to Easy Chukwu the Jude to establish an Igbo kingdom within the traditional area was false, and the council has organized a press conference led by him to set the record straight. They also issued a rejoinder to that allegation. Investigation also revealed that on 20th of October 2020, the Accra Regional Command, this is wrong, it's not 2020, we're talking about 2025, when Nite Kochu, that's why I said, Mibe Ponchi host, Mibe Ponchi host, a received petition to be signed by His Majesty, His Royal Majesty, Nite Kochu II, the Gamanche, and President of the Ghana Traditional Council, to stop one Mr. Ernest Obi from holding a legal and unapproved Igbo festival. The question I'm asking here is, who is the name here, Mr. Ernest Obi? Is Chukwu the Jude the same Ernest Obi, or Ernest Obi a different person? Now let's go and explain all this thing. The Ghana Police Service, can say, the Ghana Police Service are saying, they send a letter to the Ghana Traditional Council. That's what they are saying, right? They send a letter to the Ghana Traditional Council, and that the Ghana Traditional Council, led by the president Nite Kochu, didn't respond based on numerous, let's say, rejoinders or whatever, numerous follow-up. Nobody respond. Now, let me say also here that Nite Kochu have stated in July that he doesn't know Chukwu the Jude, and that Chukwu the Jude is not in his document. Chukwu the Jude is not gazetted. And I have the gazetted document here. I will show you guys. In 2024, there was a report that showed that Chukwu the Jude is not gazetted. And so that is why Nite Kochu say that, okay, seize yourself or call yourself a chief. Do not call yourself a chief or hold anything on my land. Period. Now, the Otubrohu Manche, who double then at the time when Chukwu the Jude was given that leadership position in 2012. TME, don't confuse everything. Now let me say it in Ghana. Bemi ni awo Chukwu the Jude leader, Alo Manche, Nite Kochu is not the chief of Gamashi. Beni awo Chukwu the Jude as a leader of the Igbo community in Ghana, Nite Kochu is not the chief of Gamashi, thereby leading the Ghana Traditional Council as a president. Nite Kochu was installed in the year 2020. 2020. That was the time Nitekochu was actually put on as a chief of Gamashin, thereby becoming the what? The president of the Ghana Traditional Council. Now, police if the police wrote a report or they want to invite Nitekochu to come and talk about Chuku the Jude, do you expect Nitekochu to respond to that message? Guys, tell me. So when you read this, this is the interpretation, and that's why I'm saying that I'm going to punch holes. The police department are not even supposed to write any letter to Nitekochu inviting him to come and say anything about the authenticity of Chuku the Jude, because he has already said, say, oh, Nimino, every baby, I don't know Chuku the Jude. Chuku the Jude is not part of me. Chuku the Jude is not one of us. Per the gazetted chiefs that I have on my table, Mr. Ehinetu Chuku the Jude is not a chief. And that is why he stopped him from holding himself to do any gathering. So if the Ghana Police Service are saying that they sent a letter to ensure that the Ghana Traditional Council will actually come and show, say, the documents are authentic, they don't even have to write to the Ghana Nitekochu. They have to write to Nidodu. Nidodu is the one who was the acting Ghana Traditional Council president then in 2012 when they put Chuku the Jude on that leadership throne. Who is Nidodu? Who is Nidodu? Nidodu is the Otublo Humanche. And under whose jurisdiction Nidodu did this? Nidodu did all what he did under the power and the auspices of the old Gamanche, who has actually lost his case. Okofile case, Ewo Kumasi, and a file another one, and a counter. Okay, ni Adamalache. Ni Adamalache. Ni Adamalache Shishin. Ni Adamalache was having a lot of issues. And so he couldn't be the president of the Ghana Traditional Council. That is why the Otublohu Manche became the acting Ghana Traditional Council president. Now, under the jurisdiction of Ni Otublohu, that is where Ni Otublohu went out there to go and do what he did for Chuku the Jude. A Hale Shikan Jew, a Bribel Jew, a Paul Jew, a Woshika Halen Jew, whatever was given to them before they give Chuku the Jude that title, it was the thing of the past. And that is why when Nitekochu was installed in July 9th, 2022, after a couple of years, he said that I don't know Chuku the Jude from anywhere. As a new chief, normally a new chief is no more tuition, no kwenoni yano, no boteni biami. Okay, no boteni biano. No, you see, if you said take Ni Adamalache out of it, nobody is saying Akeshi Ni. I'm telling you, Ni Adamalache. Ni Adamalache was the Gamanche at the point in time. And under the jurisdiction of Ni Adamalache, that is why the Otublo Humanche became the one who inaugurated Chuku the Jude. The facts are there. If you say go and check my fact, I've seen the video. I am not saying that, listen, you are getting it wrong. I'm not saying Mokoke ni dodu in Kati or whatever. I have it. And somebody is saying that he is the brain behind it. I have it. I have all the video. I have it. I have the video. I've watched the videos. And I'm not saying that Adamalache was part of the people who put Chuku the Jude where he is. Listen, if you listen to me, it will help you. Perhaps you join me halfway. I'm saying that Otublo Humanche, he was the one who was acting as the Ghana Traditional Council president. It's in the letter. Don't even read the AABA. So I don't know what you are saying. It's here. He was acting. That time, Adamalache was having issues. If he wasn't, he should be the one who will be the Ghana Traditional Council president. So Adamalache doesn't know anything about Chuku the Jude. It was Ni Dodu. Okay? Where is Ni Dodu? Ni Dodu is still there. Why is it that the Ghana Police Service didn't send the letter, this letter to Ni Dodu, and they are sending it to Ni Tekochu to authenticate? I hope you understand my argument here. If you understand my argument, it will help you. I'm saying, Akeshi, Adentina, when the Ghana Police Service want to write a letter to invite somebody to come and testify about the authenticity of Chuku the Jude, why didn't they write it to Ni Dodu? Because Ni Dodu was the former president of the Ghana Traditional Council acting. So if they want to know whether the document that they signed, if they want to know whether the document they signed for Chuku the Jude was valid, they have to rather contact him, not to say they are contacting the government office. Do you think that if you are me, you respond to that letter to the Ghana Police Service? If you respond to the letter, listen, if the government need to respond to the letter, it's an indictment already on what he has issued. If you understand me, he has already issued a letter that I don't know this guy. I've stopped him from doing his Yam Festival. And I don't want him to hold himself as a chief around here. So I have stopped him. Then the Ghana Police Service said that they sent a clarify. What is he going to clarify? That's why I'm saying that I'm going to punch holes in whatever the Ghana Police Service are saying. That's basically what I'm doing. As to whether the evidence that was used against Chuku the Jude was true or not true, I don't know. As to whether the evidence that they showed to the police, I don't know. I've not seen that evidence. But on the face of this document that I'm reading from the Ghana Police Service, that's what I'm saying. That the Ghana Police Service erred for saying this. And you see, His Royal Majesty Ni Tekochu II can take the Ghana Police Service on and to court for bringing him into this. Said they follow up, they went to the office, blah, 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 blah. He can take them to court. Because in the first place, Eviomo Akeshi, what? Me, I don't know what. Papa name Lele. Okay? I don't know. Okay? Yes, I know about that. I'm going to talk about that. Those things are piling up. But don't worry. Don't worry. Thank you for understanding where I'm coming from. Because I'm not saying Akeshi, what do you call? Ademalache was part of whatever happened. Okay? Yeah, big filler neighbor, share all. So the point here is the Ghana Police Service erred, and I am calling on His Excellency John Dramani Mahama again and calling on an IGP. This document must be pulled out of the system one time, because Nitekochura Akase, I don't know Chuku the Jude, no. So why is it that you guys are writing to him to come and say something about the authenticity of the document and the recognition of what Chuku the Jude is having? He said, I don't know him. His name is not in my list. And he's stopping from celebrating the Yam Festival. Now, let me show you guys also. The document that I have here. Let me check quickly. Team, where are you guys? Team, I need to send my people to see the document that I'm talking about here. I need to send you people the document that I'm talking about here. In 2024, okay, a document, I'm going to share a document with you guys here. No, Team, just send that particular one to me. Okay, send that one to me. I need to go and grab it. If you send it to me, I will see. Guys, I will show you another document in 2024. Okay, I'll show you another document. That document will tell you that Chuku the Jude, okay, Chuku the Jude is not and has not been gazetted. So if you are not, and you've not been gazetted by Nitekochu, how then do you, the Ghana police are calling Nitekochu to come and say something about somebody he didn't gazette?
Slow.
Eh? How then do you expect? How then do you expect? How then do you expect Nitekochu to come and say something about this? Eh? Yeah, so I'm going to show you a document very soon from the National House of Chiefs. Okay, I'm going to show you a document from the National House of Chiefs. Okay, stay with me. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. I'm here today. I'm here to share all the documents that I have. And kudos to my team. Kudos to my guys. I love what you guys are doing. You see, sometimes when you are talking and you have the fact on your table, it be papa. It be papa. Sometimes when you are talking and you have all the fact on the table, it be papa. I will show you another document, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me. I'll show you another document. Okay, I'll show you another document. Okay. Let me zoom it a little bit. All right, guys. So this is a document, right? This is a document from the National House of Chiefs. This is a document from the National House of Chiefs. I don't want to put my ghost team and everything out there. So I have to make sure that is cleared. Okay, that is why I did that. So from the National House of Chiefs, Post Office Box 1418, Kumasi, Accra. The date on the document is 11 September 2024. 11 September 2024. A group of people didn't understand what is going on with Chukwudi Jude. So they decide to do an inquiry from the National House of Chiefs. Re-inquiry into the gazetting of a personality of His Royal Majesty Ize, Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Jude Ehinetu. That's what I see here. So I'm reading. I refer to your letter with the reference number of blah, 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 dated September, blah, 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 2024. On the above subject, and I wish to inform you that the name of Chukwudi Jude, I don't want to mention everything here, Ehinetu, the Igbo leader, I don't want to call him Igbo King here, because even the Ghana National House of Chiefs are making their mistakes. So I don't want to follow that one. The Igbo leader in Ghana cannot be found in the National Register. It must also be added that the status of the chief, tribal chief, falls under the category of chiefs that cannot be registered into the National Register of Chiefs. That is the letter that is coming from the Regional House of Chiefs. Now, the Regional House of Chiefs are saying that in 2024, Chukwudi Jude is not gazetted. And in 2025, Nitekochu also said that he doesn't know him. The names of the people in front of him are the legitimate chiefs in the Greater Accra region. Chukwudi Jude is not part of it. So who is Chukwudi Jude? So who is this self-acclaimed person who is in Ghana, living flamboyantly, throwing his weight about? Who is he? This man is not somebody who his name is in the gazetted document. So why is it that the Ghana Police Service wrote a letter and follow up to His Royal Majesty's Kingdom, Nitekochu office, for clarification and authenticity? This is somebody he doesn't know way back. This is somebody whose position was given to him by Nidodu. And Nidodu is now under Nitekochu. Listen, you see, Nidodu is now under Nitekochu. So how do you write to Nitekochu to clarify? Why didn't you write it to Nidodu, who was part of the people who initiate Chuku de Jude? And shamelessly, if you want to give somebody a chieftaincy title, must you travel to the person's house? Must you go to his house to go and do it? The flache, what gamancheme kume amenshia mehiashi. Wake ablekuma abakuma. She ablekuma ekuma woe. Ablekuma ngbe wagbene. Ablekuma ekuma woe. Ablekuma hewo ni bi yewodi. Ablekuma ekuma woe. Ablekuma mfite wobi. Ablekuma kuma woe. Ablekuma ke ashawo ke tutu ke olosho ebagana. Waka ablekuma abakuma woe. Ablekuma ke tramo ebagana. Waka ablekuma abakuma wo. Ablekuma ke ju ke fo ke nibi ebagana. Ablekuma eba hishi wote. Na ablekuma ho gashipon. Na ablekuma he gashipon. Na ablekuma ke amenrenti chwa ame. Shi ablekuma njuwo. No waka ablekuma abakuma wo. Inye megame. Ke wote shi ni woba wohe no. Ni woba na ke meni eba to wo ye ne ba hi wote yin. Yoruba bi ke Awusa bi ke Fulani bi ke Fulanitarians na mba bote wote yin. Ke wote shi ni woba wohe no. Ni wa afi ni bi wo hin ba hwe. I'm telling you people. I'm telling you people. This is your humble servant here, and when you meet me, consider fila o fila. You see, we're going to do this without fear or favor. We're going to do it until we save Ghana, until we save our motherland, until we stop the people who are disturbing us. We will not stop. Let me use this opportunity to say that if you are living in abroad and you think that what is going on, wait for me. I'm telling you, these are the roadmap. And I want to encourage everybody. Nobody should sleep over these issues. Brahima, thank you so much. Guys, you have to go and join my page. Oh. Go and be a member of my page. Oh. Please go under my page. One of our sisters contacted me the last time and say, oh, I want to do something. Sometimes, you see, please go and join. Go down there and add join. Be a member of. You pay only maybe $1 or $2. Because if I say send me a Momo, you're going to send more than 500 Ghana cedis. But this is only $2. I'm not asking for money. I'm just saying. Thank you so much, Brahima. I see you every time. Brahima is one of my members, and you go there. Brahima have been a member with my channel for almost 4 months. Brahima always, I mean, it's like a monthly contribution. Brahima has been there for me. Thank you so much for doing that. So what I'm saying here, they say the Ghana Police Service aired. They made a big mistake by contacting the office of His Royal Majesty Nintekochu. Nintekochu will never reply this because what throw letter in July say Onimino. What throw another letter in September said they should stop him from celebrating the Igbo festival. So he doesn't know him. I'm sorry, he doesn't. So basically, that's what it is. Now, there's one more document I want to show you guys. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys that document today, but there's one more document I think I have to show. But depend on what is going on. I want to say this before I go. I'm going to open the phone line. That segment is coming on. And I hope that my phone line is going to work. I hope that my phone line will connect everything I'm doing here. That is my hope and my belief. Okay, so let me do the needful and make sure everything is set before I open the phone line. I'm going to open the phone line very soon. And the number you can reach me on 0592 324421 0592 324421. When you join me, you have 2 minutes. Just go straight to your point, and then I'll pick another call. Okay. Let me see today if it's going to work. If it didn't work, then I'm going to figure out something else, because I put in a lot of measures to make sure everything is on top.
Mama has a problem with this because we were not supposed to bring this person's signature. They can copy print of them.
You understand what I'm saying? So, guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Basically, that's what it is from here. That's what it is. So it's very, very important that we do what we have to do. The phone lines are open. If you are ready, just call in. If you are ready, just call in. So I'll put you on. I hope I was able to explain what is going on out there. I hope I was able to do that. It is very important we take care of some of these things. So if you want to call, like I said, 0592324421 on WhatsApp, 0592324421 on WhatsApp. And so I share a couple of things with you guys today, and I believe strongly say you know exactly what I'm talking about. All these documents are there, and that shows that Chuku the Jude cannot even be registered, cannot be gazetted. Chuku the Jude can never be gazetted, and he's not going to be gazetted, because according to the constitution of the Ghana House of Chiefs, or the Regional House of Chiefs, or the National House of Chiefs, he's not qualified as somebody that can be gazetted, or that can be registered. And so the document that was sent, okay, thank you so much. So the document that was shared, it was a document that emanated from the National House of Chiefs in 2024. And since 2024 until today, Nitekochu have been there. And so Enuche said Chuku the Jude cannot have his way out. You understand what I'm saying? That's basically what we are talking about here on this program, Top Gossip 24. If you are new here on this platform, remember to go and subscribe. Remember to comment below. Bre Yima has been my topmost commenter here. And then we're commenting, we are tired of Ghanaian leaders. Now we see what the Russian guy did to Ghana girls. Yeah, and no matter what, and unfortunately, some of our girls are too cheap. Too cheap. Follow me, then you follow, just like a goat. Follow me, and then you follow, like a goat. Follow me, then you follow, like a goat. Basically, that's what is going on. So the phone lines are open. I'm just waiting for the first caller. If you want me to type it here, I will type it here for you. I said 0592 0592 92 324421. That is the number. 0592 324421. That is my WhatsApp number for the program that you can call. So if you want to reach out in the program, you can just contact me on the number that is down there, 0592 324421. If there's nobody coming in the next 3 minutes, we're going to wrap up and try to see what we can do with our Ghana national anthem. But today, I've punched the holes I want to punch. So some people will read a letter and they'll say, I'm disappointed. Some people will read it and say, oh, why is it that the government didn't respond? Some people will say that, oh, the government didn't respond. It means that Chuku the Jude is clear to go and celebrate the Yam Festival. No. That is not the interpretation. People, it was a private, I think that my brother want to call. Let me see. Hello? 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 Team, can you check for me what's going on with the phone calls?
Is it breakdown?
Just open that one so I will see. Uncle Atu, let me just check something right quick. I'll call you back. Uncle Atu, you can call back. You can call back. You can call me back. Team, just make sure everything is all right. It should ring at your end. I'm trying to see what is going to happen today. All right, so because I try to connect everything. Guys, just call in. Just call in. Share your thoughts. Okay, share your thoughts. Call in. If you can call in and you want to join me by web, I can also share the web address for you so you can join in. Okay. Otherwise, Uncle Atu, I'm waiting for you to call in. I'm waiting for you to call in. So, guys, like I'm saying, it is important that we all know what is going on. Don't think that because the Ghana Police Service say that Chuku de Jude allegation now there's no evidence to back it now. And next year say he can now celebrate the Yam Festival. No, that is not what the reporters are seeking to do. Whatever it still lie in the hands of Nite Kuchu, not the Ghana Police Service. It still lie in the hands of Nite Kuchu. If he said he will do it, he will do it. Check there if you can see the call.
Accept. Can you hear him?
Hello? 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 Yeah, I can hear you.
Is it going to the live stream?
Yeah, you can go ahead. You can go ahead. I don't know if my guys can hear you online. I'm trying to. I switched into new system today, so I want to see if you can go ahead.
Okay. Now let him talk and check. You can hear. I cannot hear. No.
Yeah, you can go ahead. You can go ahead. Okay. I don't know if my guys can hear you online. I'm trying to. I switched into new system today, so I want to see if you can go ahead.
We don't hear what he's saying. We can hear.
I think I cannot. I can hear you. I can hear you the other way around, but it's not appearing on the live streaming. That's what I'm thinking is going on. So I rather will put you on the phone and then I'll put you on the microphone so that will work. So let me call you back. Yeah, let me call you back. That will work for me. Yeah, I'll call you back.
It doesn't work.
Yeah, it doesn't work. I think I cannot. I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. You can go ahead. Now you are live.
Okay. In the first place, please, I would like to take the opportunity and to apologize to my. Before I say anything, I apologize to my Akan brothers and sisters. I know we the girls we've done a whole lot of mistakes regarding this Igbo King thing in Accra. But right now, we see that it's going on also in the jurisdiction of the Fanti land, which is central region, the Yoruba people. So it's not, no one should blame any tribe. But there is one thing I want to say, please. I want to beg my Akan brothers and sisters, please to speak to your women. They love money and put money before anything. And then whoever come into the country is almost 75% or 90% of them spreading their leg for these people. I'm not saying other tribes are not doing, other tribes will do. But if you look at like my tribe people from Ghana, our women in Accra, they do it with their people in Accra. But why other tribe, anyone they see, whether they are from Nigeria, boom, they jump because of chicken and chips. Please, we should stop this thing. Okay, now I just want to go straight to the point. The most important point is what the brother is trying to explain to you guys, and you guys don't want to see the consequence or the implication of what our country generation will be facing in the next decades of years coming. You guys will gnash your teeth The land you are having in Ghana is so small. How can the government of Ghana go to IMF and borrow money to enhance our Ministry of Health and our whatever sector, education sector? And the taxpayers will pay this money, and foreigners will come and enjoy this money. And you same Ghanaians, you will protect these people. You see them, you give them places to live, and they begin to kill you. And when some of us, we are talking about this situation, you call us names. Now, there is a war coming, and you people should prepare for the war. You'll be fighting against the Fulanis. You'll be fighting against the Hausa people. You'll be fighting against the Igbos and the Yoruba people. Now, the Englishman have a word, they say, the enemy of my enemy is my friend. After I help him finish the other enemy, I'll come for him. All these people living in your country, they will come together and fight you Ghanaians. And after they finish fighting you Ghanaians, by population and everything, then they will turn around and fight against each other. Ghana will be a war zone.
Okay. Brad, to over wrap up Koni Mokoye line.
So what I'm trying to say here is, please, all of you should work with us and try to pressurize our leaders in whatever ways we can do, and let them know our situation, that in future we have no Ghana again. So please help to fight this cause. Thank you all.
Thank you. God bless you. Caller, I'm going to call the next caller back because the line was busy. There was somebody on it. I'll reach out to the next caller. We have to do this right quick. Time is not on our side, so let me reach out to the next caller. It's very hot today. It's very hot. Hello? Yeah, good evening. Yeah, no great.
Yes. You know, this is the X and they are from market where you went. Because I'm over someone here, I can put a shop now for this I'm over someone here, the youth they not war. It was maybe the emotion. If they are, because to be taken their point when you take a point to me for your divination. Among Mister, the young program by a more to do. The Hoku Bena with car, what Baba or not would be the guy by your poor. And so the Amo can get a hambre, what you
but almost say, oh sir, they will change their strategy. Honestly.
Oh, bro. A moment change because your politicians who are more intelligent. Because I some obey you. When this spoke with that, minimum comment to say that's a now for some ratio you want to be issue and buy issues around the book.
Yes.
Because there was a creative over many. I say, young crown, tell you how to pass people which make a door. Free country. You know, your mind now or which people you go. I feel them back. So what I see. Over to be so, your mapper or Uber, go to be a mother or literally can. So, young say, and value.
I see.
So, a man when they and they are windy people that if you go more goes, who commend you go goes.
All right. Thank you.
Why? I so we be knows when you be yes no what do foundation. That's that money or one. Yes, I got that. And I'm in the case here. They know. If you can't, so I can't eat the more. I can't eat the bush. You need to have a card. You know.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's from my next caller. I'm waiting for the next caller. I get a missed call from the next caller. Let me see if I can reach out quick so we know exactly what's going on. Our caller is saying that we should just forget about all this thing that is going on, and then we can also build our thing and forget about all these issues now. Honestly, no, most of our leaders are just stomach direction people. Honestly, it will be Samia. That's basically what I'm going to say. Security, they actually always they sell their what do you call that one? They sell their birthright because of money. They sell their birthright, and that is the reason why we are where we are today as a country. We are struggling as a country because basically our leaders cannot see exactly what some of us can see, and they think say we are just talking, we are making noise, we don't know what we are saying, and all that. And that is why I'm actually was said the NDC has done it again, because you see, if the police department anything I make us a main no omo see evidence na dey buy no enye evidence be a make between e dey aye bibi. That's what they are saying. The only place I'm who say omo aye problem no omo aye mfunso no when they were inviting somebody who has already disowned Chuku the Jude to come and authenticate, and no gross disrespect. And I am hearing that Chuku de Jude Akosra IGP da. Mr. Tete Iwono, I've heard that one. Oh. I don't know how factual it is. But if you have also been gracefully taken care of, please let us know. Information be a rich him in so actually say Nigeria for no say omuba Ghana na ombe bibia. They omu we draw bia yesi yeji jata moja o say lion moja o say leopard moja na ye. If they shake your hand, it better take it 15 solid years before you can open your mouth and talk about them. 15 solid years. Sana beteki and sana you'll be able to do what? You'll be able to talk about them. Sa 15 years nini na na omudi yo omuniama. You know mude ye den omu ye omuniama. Nobody here omuniama. What web address are you talking about, Stephen? Nobody here omuniama. You understand me? The police is not the court. Yes, Robert, I'm coming to talk about that, my brother. I will talk about that. The police is not the court. And so all this thing that is going on, another way of silencing people because they've come in with a strategy. The police CID department are not the law court. But in the law court, who appoints the Chief Justice? If the person who appoints the Chief Justice is the right hand or the left hand or the middleman or the back man or Chief Ehinetu, going to the court will be a right thing to do. But are we going to see what we are looking for by going to the court? That is a question we need to ask. And that the answer we have to find out. I know there are judges out there who don't like what is going on. I know they will rise against it. I know they will talk about it. But what will be the outcome? Now, before I go, let me use this opportunity to say one or two things. The petitioners, Maswell and the 9 others, I don't think this is the end of the road, except you guys want to give in. But I think that this is not the end of the road. I believe strongly that if you guys take the report from the Ghana Police Service with other things that you have that you think that maybe the Ghana Police Service didn't investigate them well, I said something from the beginning. I said, as the police, Ghana Police Service, almost 100%. They are not infallible. They can make mistakes. So if the petitioners deem it fit to take this case to court further, to seek a redress, to know exactly what is going on, they can do it. So I'm using this opportunity to call on the petitioners. You can still go back to the court. You are petitioning the police report have come out. They said, there's no iota of truth in it. I'm yet to hear if the police officers travel to the Pram Pram area to go and check the Agoto area. Information reaching us, Agoto. But trust me, on this platform, we will visit there once again. We'll be there, honestly. So, yes, the chieftaincy law should work. The chieftaincy law should be able to deal with some of these issues. And the National House of Chiefs should be the place where the petitioners should be able to petition. Because if the Ghana Police Service are coming out with this, your next point of call is to go where? Is to go to the National House of Chiefs. Go to the National House of Chiefs and go and petition the National House of Chiefs, and then the National House of Chiefs invite this guy to come and tell them who he is, because the National House of Chiefs, I can say, is not gazetted. And that's why I'm saying that the communicators and the people that speak for Gamanche and Intekuchu must not sit down and watch this report pass by. The answer, the issue is simple. They didn't come up to come and tell you what was going on. You also don't have the right. You see, you also don't have the right to do what you are doing. Team, if there's an echo is coming to my ears. What is going on? Team, I have echo coming into my ears. So if I have echo coming into my ears, guys, I don't know where the echo is coming from. I'm trying. What? I didn't hear this echo before. So, guys, like I'm saying, it is very important. So we put this matter where it belongs. The Yoruba people and the Hausa people and the Fulani people and the Igbo people from Nigeria. We are sick and tired seeing you people coming to Ghana. And we don't want to take these things any longer. Nick Tekochu have said he doesn't know you. If you parade yourself with the regional House of Chief President, there's one thing you have to know. The regional House of Chief President's term will expire. And if that expires, it means that yours will also expire, because Nick Tekochu's position will continue to stay as a president of the Ghana Traditional Council. It will continue to stay. You understand what I'm saying? So the point here is, if you want to follow the regional House of Chief, you see, this is not the first time you are going there to Nungwa. You were there in Nungwa in the Mohomo, and then you spray one Ghana city. Now, when there's a funeral in Nungwa, you are there also. It tells me one simple thing. The leaders of the Nungwa Traditional Council believe that Chuku the Jude is part of them. That's what I can say, because he was there for the Omowo. He's now there for a funeral. So it tells me one thing, that whatever we are insinuating, whatever we keep saying, whatever is going on social media, it is true. It's not that you appeared there at the Homowo Festival in April and you were stopped. You were stopped from what? Doing your Yam Festival in September. And now you appear in Nungwa again. It tells me that when Nungwa is doing Homowo, this come April, You'll be there. Chuku the Jew will be there again. So when we are trying our best to block the loopholes that have been created by Nidodu, there's somebody also sitting in the regional House of Chiefs who want to elevate those things. Gamehi and Shueshi. Gamehi and Shueshi. Gamehi and Shueshi. Gamehi and Shueshi. If you say, oh, and family who I don't care about it, I don't mind it, and no problem, there, let's leave it like that, blah blah blah. Gamehi and Shueshi. Abu awo, Gamehi and Shueshi. Aka ablekuma ba kumawo. Ablekuma ngbewo. Ablekuma ngbewo ablekuma ngbewo. Ablekuma ngbewo. The leaders of the Ghana Traditional Council, the leaders of the regional, what do you call that one? The chief, the regional House of Chiefs, the regional House of Chiefs, the leaders. If you guys don't sit up to iron out what is going on, the unnecessary conflict. We're going to have an Igbo man who will come and divide us into pieces. Shame unto all of you. Shame. Shame. Because we are making ajame. But ke ofeni nehi. Ke ofeno koni sena mo behie. Ko ofeno koni shishinu mo behie. Obi ba anye ko hi. Yo no ni nye fio. Nye ke mingblamo. Nye ke fitemo. Nye ke nibi nehi mba. Yega. No ni chuku de Jude. Ke other people are having all the energy to do what they are doing. They are fronting. Bi anakeshe Kasoa. Kasoa bi unyame. Nke kote Kasoa eye mobo. Go to Kasoa. Go to Kasoa. Obinekaye, you see Ashama too, they are coming there. Ashama manche. Temanuta manche. There's fire on the mountain. Oh. There's fire on the mountain. Ashama manche. Okay, if you guys don't wake up, these people will swallow Ashama. They will bring all sorts of people to Ashama. Ashama will be like one of the villages in Nigeria. Very soon. Ashama manche. Very soon. Very soon. Can you tell me? If you guys don't do something about what is going on, it will be something else for all of us. I don't know. I don't know what to say right now. Honestly, I don't know what to say right now. Honestly. There was an echo that was coming on. I think I found where the echo is coming from. So I just put it off. I just put the echo off. So guys, it's important. It's very important. If you couldn't join me fully tomorrow, I'm gonna make sure I put this video into where I have to put it, so you also get something to watch. I've been here for 2 solid hours, or just few minutes to 2 hours. Share the videos, share. So when you go to my comment section, there are cheap products that you can buy. If you are living in the US, shipping is free. And you advert maybe you are looking for computers and stuff like that. They are the spray and bags, ladies' bags, shoes. They are nice things under all my comment section. Go to the comment section, click on the comment section, go to the last part, and you see the product. Whatever you are looking out to buy, I'm streaming live on Facebook and streaming live on TikTok and on YouTube. For TikTok, I don't know, because when you try to stream on TikTok, it messes you up the more. This is your humble servant right here on this platform. And God bless all of you. Don't allow this channel to die. Don't allow this channel and the videos I'm posting to die, please. I posted number of videos over the weekend. I know what is going on. Most of you have not seen the video because reportage now Dawson. So we are being let down of not hitting the algorithm and recommendation. But it is what it is. Obineka is a job hazard. So we'll continue to keep that one flowing. It's very, very important. We let you guys know. Say, yeah, post to a lot of videos. If I have all 60 of you going to watch all the videos that I posted from last Tuesday until today, those videos will get a spike and people will see what is going on out there. It's important that we put all those things on bed. Thank you so much, Brahima. Honestly, you are the best. Honestly, Brahima is the best. To be honest with you folks, Brahima is the best. So, Brahima is the best. Our Ga chief has made Ga tribe look like almost useless tribe in Ghana. Yes, Inyemi, that is the truth. That's the fact. That's the fact on the ground. Amemusun, they are thinking about their stomach. But then now Woshika Bafu 1 billion. Then you are laughing. You don't know where the person get the money from. I call Nufushika, Onufushika, 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 Nakababo. Onufushika, Nakababo, ne call you Akechako Jemo. Keke, come with me. Keke Onyese. Come with me. Keke Onyese. Come with me. Keke Onyese. Tomorrow Russia and you Bafi. Ebusia. Come with me again. Oh, come with me. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Guys, I'm going to play the national anthem again. When I started and I play it, I don't know. Mantishi. So I want to play again. If you guys, multi national anthem, Nidia, any, about. I'm going to try the national anthem again. So I want to play again. If you guys multinational anthem, I'm going to try the national anthem. Guys, I'm just trying to play this one. I don't know. If it's not coming, it means that something is happening that I need to work on. I don't think the national anthem is coming. I will look for what the problem is, guys. I tried to change my my arrangement, and I tried to get a couple of gadgets and machines, and I think that is a problem right now. I need to figure out why it's not playing back there. I will check and see what's going, because I didn't change anything too much, but it might be a problem with my sound connection to that side. So I will do it. I'll do it. I'll look for what the problem is and try to sort it out. By all means, by next week I should be able to have that particular issue sorted out, because I don't know. I used to play it and it's coming nice, but and then me say me tutu me niamanenti me tutu niamanenti affect volume section. Serio. I'll look for what is going on. I'll definitely look for it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today. God bless all of you. God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, bold to be defended forever. Don't lose God. Okay, don't lose God. Don't say it's not over yet, guys. It is not over yet. Thank you guys all on this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant right here on this page. Ebusia, that's